Artificial intelligence is a type of technology that allows computers to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, image analysis, decision-making, and learning. The way artificial intelligence works is through the use of complex mathematical models and algorithms that can learn from data. Essentially, artificial intelligence is trained to perform specific tasks through a combination of data, models, and algorithms. There are several types of artificial intelligence algorithms, but one of the most popular is machine learning. Machine learning is a process by which artificial intelligence is trained to learn from data and find patterns. This process is done using mathematical models called neural networks. A neural network is a mathematical structure that resembles the human brain. It is made up of several layers of nodes that are connected to each other to process information. Each node receives information from the nodes in the previous layer, processes it, and then transmits it to the nodes in the next layer. In machine learning, the neural network is trained using training data. This data is used to adjust the weights of the connections between the nodes in the neural network. As the neural network is trained, it learns to recognize patterns in the data and make predictions. Once a neural network has been trained, it can be used to perform specific tasks, such as speech recognition, image analysis, and decision-making. For example, a neural network can be trained to recognize faces in images. Once the neural network has been trained, it can be used to recognize faces in new images. In summary, artificial intelligence works by using mathematical models and algorithms that can learn from data. Machine learning is a popular way to train artificial intelligence using neural networks. Once a neural network has been trained, it can be used to perform specific tasks, such as speech recognition, image analysis, and decision-making. I hope you like my video. Please leave me a like or comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.